Okay. So in digital marketing, the certification, I mean, there are more certifications to do.
Okay.
Now, in this session, we are going to see about around 10 certifications.
Okay.
In Google itself, we are going to see about 6 certifications are there. Including
Okay.
Google, there are, including YouTube, there are 7 certifications with respect to
Okay.
Google itself. Okay. So,
Okay.
for all the certifications, procedure, rules and regulations, everything is there on the internet, or on the specific page on
Okay.
Google itself. So the first thing is Google Ads search certification. So how we are going to doing the ad process, the advertisement process in search criteria, and how we
Okay.
are going to do the campaigns. We have seen in the SEO during the session on SEO. We have seen all the things. So if you just click this link, Google Ads search certification. If you just click it, it will specifically, they are telling about what is this certification all about, and what they want to you to focus on, what are all the subject line will be covered in the study. Google Ads search certification. So these are all the study materials we have to focus on, and these are all the minutes the test is going to be with respect to this. And almost you can do online, and where I think in Pondicherry, I think I'm not sure about this, specific center to be conducted, but everything is online, so you can take it online.
Okay.
So maybe if any problem comes in, maybe you can raise a request to retest or something else. But otherwise, it is very, very fully automated thing, fully online thing, and automated thing, and everything has been recorded. And you have to appear for this, and you can check your knowledge before going for the test. This kind of
Okay.
certification, based on the assessment, you can again you can go and test your person, how you are doing specifically on Google Ads certification thing. And then you have to go on each content type. So you can take it again, you can go on in depth, you can have a in-depth knowledge, and then you can appear for this exam. So it is almost 1 hour 30 minutes, I guess 1.3 hours, and not 30 minutes, 1.3 hours it means.
Okay.
So so if you click, I think it will ask the authentication process. So if you pay the amount, and it will, if you once you log into this, and then you have to pay. Not sure how much. I think within 2,000 rupees. It is not too much. Within 2,000, or within 1,500 or something else. So you have to pay, and then you have to get this kind of certification for uh, I think the certification in digital marketing works fine, because a lot of company, they are looking for the certification. So in these 7 certifications about Google, so what all the most important thing we will discuss in this session. Okay. So this is one of the the first, the basic certification in Google Ads, and you can consider. And then the next thing is the ads display certification. So how the fundamentals of to master the fundamentals of using Google Display to deliver effective display advertising for your business. So learn more about campaigns that build awareness, influence consideration, drive action, and how to get your ad in front of the audience you want to reach most. So this is also the next level of Google display certification. How to display your ad with respect to client, and kind of how through designs, through content, through title, description, and each and everything, every aspect of it. How are you managing? Learn how to create, manage, and optimize Google Ads display campaigns. So these campaigns, how are you going to do the base? All the questions based on these kind of display ads. So I mean, once you start this kind of a certification, you will get more interested, and so that actually before starting this, I mean, starting your certification process, please uh, experience it. So don't go blindly by taking the test, because everything is just multiple choice question, and
Okay.
the best answer type of questions, and you have to be very very careful while answering this. Okay.
Okay.
And for every certification, so we have to appear for this pre self assessment. If you are more comfortable, if you are getting you answered all the questions, then it will be very very easy. Or there are other portals you can find it. You may appear for multiple times the free online test, free online this kind of there are, I think there are a lot of portals are there. You can go and appear on the same topic for, I mean, at free of cost, because in those cases you are just taking practice. So just do the multiple times, take a practice test and then appear for this kind of original test.
Okay.
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 And then
Okay.
you can go this kind of you can just this is the time and this is the content for ads display. And it is maybe terminology sometimes it is very very new for you, but you would have already seen in our discussions, and you may see the wizards, and you may see the options. You would have seen the options in our discussions, so you will be able
Okay.
to understand most of the thing on the Google Ads and whatever. I mean, because we have in depth we have discussed about SEO thing, the YouTube SEO, and everything we have discussed, and it revolves around this. All the questions revolves around this, and specifically the certification process is certainly it's just different name. So otherwise, it is you'll be able to find out or differentiate. The third one is Google Ads video certification. How are you going to position the video? What all the things you need to take care of while doing the advertisement on videos, and what are the titles, description again, how you want it to do, and this is called Google Ads video certification.
Okay.
Similar kind of thing, all the things it will be here, and you can learn and you can take a learning process. I mean, the previous to go learn the basics of the formats, creating and everything. These are the basic thing. You can get started, and then appear for this kind of a certification exams.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
Mm.
all about. I mean, this is nothing. What all the things you are learning, and you are just getting the certification. That's it. So there
Okay.
is no new thing about the certification process. The shopping ads. Next Google certifications called the shopping ads certifications. How are you earn a shopping ads certification by demonstrating your ability to connect products with shoppers across their purchase journey. Prepare for the certification by completing the diagnostic assessment and proceed to get certified. You can even diagnose about what is the level of yours, and then you can appear. Otherwise, you
Yeah.
can go for this. This is about 2.5 hours. You can learn this.
Okay.
With respect to certification, you can appear for uh, kind of mock test.
Okay.
So how you are growing your retail business with Google, reach more customers with shopping campaigns, drive shoppers in store with local product ads, promote your brand with showcasing shopping ads, grow your business with Google ads. So everything revolves around the similar set of things. But it seems that, but the topic is different. Okay.
Okay.
Increase efficiency with automated bidding, increase conversation with the performance planner, and I think we've covered in each and every session in our course, but at the same time, maybe the wizard or environment or the terminology would be different, but it is very very similar. What we have discussed during our discussions, during our sessions on digital marketing course. So it is everything, understand how shopping campaigns can promote online, local inventory, and how smart shopping campaigns can meet your marketing objectives. So you have to think in that way, and you have to position your create your advertisement, and then you need to have a bridge between the the shopping cart and also the consumer. How you are portraying yourself, how you are giving the design, right from the design, right from the content, everything revolves around the content marketing. And for each topic, the content is very important. So that's what even you get to know more about how we are doing, how we are showcasing, how we are storytelling for the
Okay.
customers. Those are all the important things. So use local inventory and local catalog ads to drive online and in-store traffic. Learn how Google solutions help connect retailers with the shoppers and boost business. Maybe if you go through this kind of certification, you will get to know more about Google certifications and also the digital marketing concept, in-depth concepts. So based on that, you can whatever impresses you, whatever the thing you have got, maybe you can take a separate course or separate training procedure, and then you just start learning for that. Okay.
Okay.
Don't lose your interest.
Okay.
You just start learning something or the other in the digital marketing, because it really helps you. Because that's how
Yes.
we've started and we've explored all the options and opportunities in digital marketing overall, and
Yes.
you have to go and get something, something gets done by you.
Okay.
Okay, so then only you will be able to earn something. Okay.
Sure.
This is one thing. And the next, Google, again, this is application oriented certification. Google Apps Ad Certification. This is entirely, if you have an application, how are you giving the ad for that specific applications in Play Store, in Google Android, Android Play Store, right? So in Play
Okay.
Store, how are you going to give the ads? Or in Google, how are you going to give this kind of a running a campaign? So this kind of an
Okay.
app is there. So you have to, that is, this is basically all about application oriented certification. Okay. So again, this
Okay.
is 2.8 hours, close to 3 hours certification. This is important certification. This is one of the, in Google Apps, because everything is app oriented these days, right? So for
Okay.
each and every process, we are searching for an application in Play Store or in App Store, right? So this is very important certification. The another certification we are going to see, the next thing, and we will discuss in the next sixth one. So this is about explain how app campaigns drive marketing success by enabling user discovery and engagement. Create an app campaign. That's what I just told you. Create an app campaign to meet a specific marketing goal. Elevate the performance of an app campaign with advanced strategies for campaign. Creative and measurable excellence. Enhance app quality and discoverability. Because there are millions and millions of applications are there. Okay,
Okay.
in Play Store. Because for every each and everything, you can find any number of applications. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
Even for single task, right from the scanning thing, cam scanner, you would have known the application. So you can scan the document, and then you can convert those kind of things into PDF or Word document, whatever it is. Like this, you can do for all the things. You will have an application to proceed further. So in that case, you have to promote your application in the Play Store, or you have to have a landing page or web portal showcasing your application, so that the
Okay.
customer will come and buy. And for that, you need to go for a campaign. You need to boost that
Okay.
product. Otherwise,
Okay.
how come your customer base? You can't build your customer base for your application. Okay. So this is
Okay.
very important while you are doing the campaign of any application, because application is very very tough to bring in. Say for instance, in Play Store, if you are searching for certain kind of a game, there will be lot of game application will be, will come in front of you. Those, I mean,
Okay.
for those, based on the number of downloads, based on number of reviews, comments, it will come up. Okay, so
Okay.
it is not a, a one time effort or a very short time effort. It is a long time effort, and you have to do a continuous campaign, continuous boost up for your product. So then only those kind of application will come up during the search in Play Store. So how we are, our web page depends on the traffic, and everything depends on the keyword, how our website is coming up in the front. We have seen in our SEO process, right? In a similar kind of thing, the application also have the same process with respect to
Okay.
keyword, with respect to the interest, with respect to trending topics, and everything does matter for matter a lot to come up to the front. Okay, so
Okay.
this is all about this application certification. This is very important. Okay, this is important course you can appear for. And before that, you have to give the mock test up, and you can see in what stage you are there. So it is a continuous process. You can go on and on. Next is, what I said before, just a couple of minutes ago, Google Analytics
Okay.
certification. This is most important, and all the companies are looking, whoever completed this kind of a certification. So analytics, it is, beginner shows new users how to create an account, implement tracking code, set up data filters. You will learn how to navigate the Google Analytics interface and reports, and set up dashboards and shortcuts. So this is very important because we have seen a lot of. I mean, we have a video also for this. You can go and watch this, and you can register for. This has a specific topic. See, not like before. This has introducing Google Analytics, why digital analytics important, and how Google Analytics works, Google Analytics setup, how to set up views with filters, and interface, how we navigate through Google Analytics, understanding overview reports, understanding full reports, how to share reports, how to set up dashboards and shortcuts, and everything, the audience report, acquisition report, behavior. I mean, so it has detailed analysis. I mean, since we have to analyze, while we are doing the campaign on Google, Facebook, or Instagram, or everywhere, while we are doing, exhibiting our products and services in all those social media and also in Google, we need to analyze how it is performing. Or if clients are coming to us, we need to analyze where we have positioned our website. And for that to improve, what we are going to do, we need to suggest for our client, and at the same time, we need to position our business too. So we need to analyze ourselves too, where we are with respect to Google ranking, right? We have seen about YouTube ranking, even Google ranking in SEO. So this kind of analytic Google Analytics certification is very, very important. I mean, this has a lot of thing, right from beginners level to intermediate and advanced level. We have to finish one by one. This
Okay.
is, I mean, we have seen, we have discussed a lot of time how the content is very important. Content marketing, content writing is important while making up our blog or website or something else, and even right from our social media marketing. So everything is interconnected with SEO. Everything is with respect to the optimization with respect to Google. So without Google, I mean, if our page, I mean, already I think we had a discussion. If Google is not responding, or Google is not
Okay.
showing up our web pages or something like that, doing business is nothing. So Google has to. We have to understand Google. Really, we are depending on Google. So if Google is not representing our business, Google is not showing up in the SEO results, I mean, there is no meaning of doing business in digital age. Okay, so I mean, meaning, if I'm just searching about my product, about, I mean, somebody is somewhere in the world, they are searching for career mudra. Then what is this? It's all about, in Google search it has to come, right? It has to be there. Otherwise, if it is not coming, then we are doing some kind of, I mean, big mistake, blunder mistake. We have to do something else, right? So we have to do lot of things. Okay, so this is how
Okay.
we have to make a campaign, right?
Okay.
So this is how this Google Analytics, and then next thing is SEM Rush certification. So SEM is, they have it's the same similar kind of, it's not similar kind of a Google, but it is, they are having a service. SEM Rush, it's, they're having services with respect to SEA fundamentals, keyword research, backlink management, mobile SEO, and local SEO. They have a product. This company has a product, and it has been widely used by a lot of companies, and that is why they have a separate certification process for them. How to, for with women with respect to SEO, because they are very pioneer in this field. So that is why, still they are having this kind of certification process, and it is valid. Okay. So
Okay.
and similar thing, but the name is differs. If you are interested, you can go. The similar kind of thing, HubSpot, in digital marketing, especially in content marketing and content making, they are becoming like anything. They are, I think worldwide they are attracting a lot of clients. They have a very huge product, and huge product base, and just a minute. Okay, social media marketing platform, content marketing class certification, and email marketing certification. And apart from that, they have their own product called HubSpot itself. And lot of,
Okay.
see, if I have a company, I have to have this kind of HubSpot, and I'm just, every year I'm renewing for their product. It means what they will be doing, they will be getting the lead generation process. The lead generation process, it is the major thing. They, I mean, using lot of things at the back end. They will be promoting our brand value,
Okay.
and based on that we'll be getting the lead in the sense those leads are finally converted to a client. Okay, so that is what, these people are doing. They are very very good. They have based out of Singapore, Malaysia, somewhere. Okay, and they are globally present too. So they are very very impacting the market. So okay, this certification is very very valid, and it is very widely accepted by all the companies. Facebook Blueprint
Okay.
certification. It is a basic Facebook certification process, and we have already know about how to set up business page, and what are the tools, and Facebook Ads Manager we have seen. So in that, they will be asking the similar kind of questions. How are you going to take it? How are you going to make a decision? How are you going to take this kind of results? How are you going to use it? Okay, so this is the
Okay.
foundational concept they're asking on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger thing, and it is a basic level. So if you go a lot of process in Facebook, they have like certified marketing science professional, lot of certification process they are having, and not only one single thing. See, the product developer one, product developer two, product developer three. If you getting through this kind of certification,
Okay.
and you will be invited for any kind of a conferences conducted by Facebook. Okay, so if you are
Okay.
contributing to Facebook, if you are contributing to Facebook anything on machine learning or artificial intelligence or the decent thing, or if you identify any kind of a flaw in the application, and if you are suggesting through that, you will be rewarded, and you will be asked to work as an intern. So there are a lot of things, Facebook. Even Google also doing the same thing. Facebook also is doing the same thing. So there are a lot of opportunities if you are, being techie, or if you are very interested to make this kind of a take this kind of a certification process. And then
Okay.
YouTube certification. So it's nothing but how we are creating content, and how we position our videos on YouTube, and specifically for YouTube too. So how you wanted to discover, how it would be your title, the content, the trending content, technology trending content, the comment and trending content, the description, how you are tagging, lot of things. So with that, you will be having the YouTube Creator Academy certification. So this is also, very important. So I mean, as per, my knowledge, Google Ads, what is that? Google Apps Ad certification, Google Analytics certification,
Oh,
then Facebook certification, YouTube certification. There are four things I mean, you can focus on. Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay, so this is all about certification process, and you
Certifications.
just, you just go and, make um, a study, or make a preparation, and
Okay.
do all the things, before appearing for this kind of certification process. Mhm.
Okay, okay. Sure.
Yeah. So this is all, I think. With this, we are completing this digital marketing course. So
Okay.
don't stop your learning. You have to do a lot of things, like
Sure.
Facebook marketing, Instagram. You have to try on your own.
Okay, okay.
It
Sure.
doesn't need much of, investment. I mean, you have to have a
Okay.
belief. That's it, right? So with that, you can just, try how Facebook campaign is working, how Instagram campaign is working, how, Google, I mean, YouTube is working, so that, you can analyze all the three things, and then you can make a um, judgment or decision based on, wherever you are strong. Based on that, you
Okay.
can increase your knowledge, you can develop
Okay.
or improve your knowledge.
Lovely.
Right? Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Evening 3 to 4 I will conduct, I'm not
Okay, okay.
conduct the
Okay.
whole thing. Within that, we are
Okay, okay, sure.
this session. Yeah. Right.
Okay. Okay, sure.
I'll talk to you later. Right.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay.